In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on your Weebly website. This straightforward process will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or looking to enhance your existing website, this guide will walk you through each step to showcase and sell your products effectively. First things first, let's head over to Weebly's official website. Simply open your favorite web browser and type in the URL for Weebly. Once there, look for the login section. You'll need to enter your email and password that you've registered with. It's essential to remember your credentials to avoid any hiccups during the login process. After typing in your details, click on the login button. If all goes well, you'll be directed to your Weebly dashboard. Once in your dashboard, look for the tab labeled website and click on it. This will lead you to a page where you can see all your existing websites if you have more than one. Now go ahead and click on the edit site button. After that, you'll come across another option labeled edit. Click on that too. This will open the Weebly editor, your main workspace where the magic happens. In the editor, locate the Pages tab and click on it. From the list of pages, select the one where you want your product page to be highlighted. This is crucial as it determines where your products will be displayed. Once highlighted, navigate to the product page in the same tab, and after that hit Done to finalize these choices. Your next step involves building and structuring your site. Click on the Build tab. You're going to look for the product element that Weebly offers. It's a simple drag and drop feature. Drag this product element to your desired location on your site. This user-friendly interface makes arranging elements a breeze. Though tempting to jump to the finish line, you must click on Buy Now to prepare your new content edition. Once set, you'll then see an option to add products to store. Following this, it's time to upload a product image. Be sure it's clear and appealing since visuals play a significant role in attracting potential buyers. Now give your product a catchy title and enter the price. These details offer essential information to your potential customers. Not to forget, a detailed description is crucial. It should vividly describe your product's features and benefits. After entering all necessary details, click on the Save button. This saves all your hard work and ensures that your product is ready to be displayed on your site. Finally, rejoice in the fact that your product is officially added to your Weebly site. Congratulations on setting up your digital storefront. With these steps, you're on your way to reaching a broader audience and boosting your business.